Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I've got another review coming to you from Melole Lashes. Now they have just launched their own magnetic eyeliner and magnetic eyelashes to go with them, but you can literally use this magnetic eyeliner with any type of magnetic lashes. Here are the lashes up close that came with this kit. They have 5 magnets on each lash, which is the most magnets I've ever seen on a magnetic eyelash. I love how wispy and flirty these lashes are. Here's the other lash. It's also very natural, has 5 magnets on it as well. So you can see the top lashes here kind of feather out towards the outside of the lashes, and then the bottom ones just have the straight kind of design throughout the entire lashes. Here are my favorite tweezers I like to use when I apply my lashes. Right now my natural lashes are super clean, no products on them. I do have a little bit of eyeliner on the top lash to help me use as a guide when I put on the magnetic eyeliner. I am not good at putting liquid liner on my eyes, so I use the regular eyeliner as a guide, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this magnetic eyeliner on top of it. I start from the outside, just tracing along the line of the liquid liner that I put down, and then topping it with the magnetic eyeliner. I found the formula to be nice and thick, not too runny or watery. If you just could keep a steady hand with your elbow, maybe on your desk or on something to keep your hand stable, it's actually quite easy to use. Now I'm going to move on to the other eye. This eye is very hard for me because I'm right-handed and it's hard for me to get an angle, but I'm going to try my best. And again, tracing over the liquid liner that I put down with the magnetic eyeliner. Now the instructions suggest that you can either put 1 coat or 2 coats of this magnetic eyeliner, and I decided to put 2 coats just to make sure that there was enough product and enough hold for my magnetic eyelashes. And then it also suggests that you wait 5 minutes before you put on your magnetic lashes because it needs that entire time to dry. So it says brush your teeth, do other stuff and get ready. Forget about the magnetic eyeliner and wait till it totally dries, and then put your magnetic lashes on so you can ensure that you're going to have the perfect application. So make sure you do that because it's very important. Now that enough time has passed where my magnetic eyeliner is dry, I'm going to take these lashes here and kind of wiggle them between my fingers so that they can take the shape of my eye much better. Put them on the tweezers, and now I'm going to apply the lashes on top of the magnetic eyeliner. I first secure the middle part, and then the outside lash, and then the inside lash. That's what I do with all of my lashes, not just magnetic ones, but it's just easier for me. If you have a different technique, then you can do that. And they look pretty good. That was super easy to do, by the way. Moving on to the next eye, again, wiggling the lash between my fingers so that I can adhere it to the shape of my eye better. And then on the tweezers, and then once again, securing the middle part first, and then the outside, and then the inside. And that was super easy. So what I like to do anytime I put magnetic eyelashes on, I like to blink my eyes really, really well to see if anything will pop off. And it did a little bit on the inside here. That means I need to secure it better. So I'm going to take my tweezers again and press it into my lash line to make sure that it's nice and secure. The other side stayed. Very happy with that. And they look natural. They look so pretty. Didn't have to use any glue at all. They're comfortable. This is the morning time, so I'm just going to wear them throughout the day. I'm going to be running errands. I'm going to be going to my son's preschool and just going around town. It is a hot day, so I'm going to have my sunglasses on. I'm going to see how well they do with putting them on and off, and I will meet you guys back here with an update. Okay, so it has now been about 5 hours since I initially put on these magnetic eyelashes with the magnetic eyeliner. Went out, ran some errands, walking around, sunglasses on, sunglasses off, and my lashes have done such a great job of staying. I will say that the insides right here did lift up a little bit. Oh, hi guys.
I'm going to channel too.
Okay, you want to sit up here, but you got to be quiet.
Okay.
Ugh, you're getting so heavy. Look at that hair! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! You're such a sweetheart.
I don't want to be quiet.
I know, but let me talk first and then I'll let you say something, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I will say that the inner corners, we're going to see how long this lasts. Okay, so going back to what I was saying, both inner corners right here and right here of the eyelashes did lift up a little bit. Oh, you're so heavy. Did lift up a little bit, and so I was smart and I carried my glue with me in my purse just in case that happened, and I know the reason why it happened. So here is a tip with magnetic eyeliner. Okay, so the trick is with magnetic eyeliner, because when you're putting your regular eyeliner, you're not putting the same thickness of eyeliner from the inner corner to the outer corner. You're going kind of a thin line to a medium line and then a thicker line. So the amount of actual magnetic eyeliner that you have on the inner corner of your eye is significantly smaller than the middle or the outer. So when you are doing your regular eyeliner as kind of a guide, go a little bit thicker out from the beginning and then kind of the same with all the way to the end. I know that's probably not how you're used to doing your eyeliner, but that's gonna be the trick on how to keep the inner corners in place. Or you can just do what I did and bring your magnetic eyeliner with you and then make sure you touch up here on the insides. Again, the trick is if you don't want those to lift up, especially if you are out and about at an event, on a date, way to make sure that that is secure is to do a thicker line from the inside and all the way out. That way you have enough magnetic eyeliner to attract the magnetic eyelash and have it stay in place. Other than that, the rest of my eyelashes stayed in place. They looked really good, quite natural. I love these lashes, this style, and I also love the other ones too, but because I was going out just regular day stuff and going to my son's preschool today, I didn't want to have like these really flirty, you know, nighttime lashes. These ones are really natural. They're very pretty. They're very comfortable. You can blink, sunglasses on and off. They didn't move, just the inner corners with that little trick to put a little bit more, and you're good to go. So if you guys have any questions at all, please leave them down below, and all the information you need regarding these lashes and Melole will be down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.